Good afternoon, ICC, and welcome back to another episode of Harbinger Weekly. Last week, we covered the Halloween drag extravaganza. ICC hosts it once a year, but there are other drag shows locally. Like this Saturday is Queertober's Monster Ball. It is from 7 to 11 p.m. at Grand Army of the Republic Hall. Buy your tickets now, which are $10 a piece. Midterms are finally over, but more tests are still to come. If you have issues with test anxiety, here's a workshop for you. Conquering Test Anxiety is at the library. It is from 3 p.m. to 2 p.m. on Tuesday, October 29th. Continuing with local events, the 5th annual Peek and Haunt starts October 18th and 19th, as well as the 25th and the 26th. It includes a creepy haunted corn maze and zombie paintball shooting. There will be 20 mounted paintball guns to use. Only you will be shooting since zombies are brain dead. Looking to get spooked this weekend? The Peoria area offers many spooky attractions, including the Haunted Infirmary in Bartonville, Spider Hill in Chillicothe, and Spook Hollow in Marquette Heights. Going into sports, on Saturday the women's basketball team plays at the Baylor Jamboree in Chicago. The other event Saturday is the volleyball team at the ICC tournament in the Cougarplex. Unfortunately, we can't touch on every game playing this weekend, but if you would like to find out more, you can visit ICC's athletics page at icc.edu/athletics/calendar. Go Cougars! That's all for this week. Tune in next week for another episode of Harbinger Weekly. I'm Stephen Harrich. See you next episode.